Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, 3rd grade, Operations and Algebraic Thinking. 301A, represent and solve problems involving in multiplication and division. Video 1. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. When told to, please pick up a pen to circle to solve the following question. And you might have to write a brief explanation of why your answer is true. Nancy and Tom are using the numbers 5, 6, and 30 to show a commutative property of multiplication. Who is correct? Please explain. Is it Nancy's way or is it Tom's way? Please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's look at Nancy. Nancy is correct. And why is she correct? Well, the reason is the commutative property of multiplication says the order in which the factors are multiplied does not change the product. It does not have anything to do with the division. So, whether it be 5 times 6 or 6 times 5, there's no change. However, over here you'll notice that Tom has 30 divided by 6. So Nancy's is the correct answer. If you would please, pick up a pen and erase your answers. And please have another student come up to the smartboard for the very next problem. Thank you. Problem 2. We should have a new student up at the smartboard. What we'd like for you to do is choose a multiplication sentence for each array. Which one is correct for A and which one is correct for B? Please draw a line underneath the correct answer. Please pick up a pen now. If you said the correct answer for A is the letter C, you are correct. It's 2 times 4 equals 8. And for B, if you said the correct answer was C, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 20, you are correct again. If you would please have another student come up to the smartboard while you erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 3. This is an interesting one if you know how to sing, or don't know. Before music class begins, Amanda's music teacher asks her to stay outside and practice singing a song 3 times, and then go to music class. It takes Amanda 6 minutes to sing the song once. Music class is 30 minutes long. How many minutes will Amanda be in the music class? Please pick up a pen and underline the correct answer below. Then place the pen back in the tray. Thank you. Your answer should have been 12 minutes. Why is that? Well, 3 times 6 is 18, and 30 minutes is the class. Minus 18 is 12. If your answers match ours, outstanding. Please have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, please erase your answer. Thank you. Problem 4. 2 problems. Let me read the first and the second one to you. Using the ferry to cross the river costs $3. There are $2 discounts if you take the ferry 5 times in 1 week. How much less does it cost to take the ferry 5 times 1 week than 1 time a week for 5 weeks? Please underline the correct answer for A and B. That question is, there are 60 animals at the animal shelter. Most of the animals are divided into 5 groups of 8. How many animals are not divided into groups? Please pick up a pen and solve these problems. Your answer for the first one should have been 10. And your answer for the second one should have been 20 animals. If you would please erase your answers, and we want to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.